and welcome to Anmaree's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie and I love to make things with joy. If you like to watch people make things with joy or like to make a lot of joy yourself, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for coming back. Okay, so this is my hashtag Fridaysews video for the week of October 9th? No. 8th? Could be. Anyway, this is Friday the 11th. So, I have been working, it's the month of October, and I have been working on costumes because I love to make costumes. Alas, not a Halloween party in sight yet, but that's not stopping me. Now, as you know, I love myself some Bridgerton because of the costuming. And I've been working on this Spencer jacket as a living toile. Now, the reason I decided to do a living toile is that if everything worked out okay, I would end up with 2 garments that could be used. But I have learned a lot making both this and my Regency gown. So now I think because of what I've learned making them, I'm ready to take on the crazy project with the crazy fabrics that I know I can't replace, and I can get the fit right and the look right. And I can even maybe experiment with a hat. So let me tell you what I figured out this week. First, even though I saw brocade being made on some beautiful jackets, I think Araminta Cowper wears a lot of brocade. I would not necessarily have chosen it for a Spencer. I think for a Spencer, I would use a tweed, like a woven tweed, like an English woven tweed, or a lace or something like that, something lighter weight, because I found that when I was doing not so much the piping, but this little kick plate at the back here, once you put in the linings that they asked you to put, it kind of kicks up. And I really don't want that to happen. I am going to, hold on, see if I can do this. Excuse my hand. I think I'm going to tack them in place so they don't kick up. Because if I leave them to their own devices, boing, we're not having that. Also, if you love this dress I'm making, this is Assembly Lines box pleat dress. Super simple to make. Very, very comfortable. Pockets, a giant pleat in the back, just in case you like this dress. All right, and another reason I did a living toile is there was so much handwork. There was so much stitch work and underpining. Another thing I also figured out is that the under support that's underneath here cannot be handled by the fusible web stiffener that I used. It needed actual, what do they call it? Horsehair. All right, so let me show you what I got. So yesterday I went to Pings, and you know they have everything, right? So here they have these for men's suiting, but I bought them to work on this. It's more supple, but it gives you the effect that you need to go under your lapels, right? All right, so when I make my final costume that I'm very excited about making, y'all's got everything. It's like from Oz. It's got sequins. It's got faux feathers. Y'all ain't ready. Or maybe because you've subscribed to my channel, you are ready. But anyway, I wanted to try it out. Now, I have ordered on this. This is that sleeve that I've been trying to replicate. So I'm kind of getting a hint of what you've got to do to get the sleeve that I'm looking for. But because I have ordered tassels, there's a tassel on this sleeve head that fits over the actual sleeve. And there is a tassel at the bottom here, right here, and right here. And I got these silver-headed tassels in this brilliant blue, I hope. And then also on the back, there's going to be 2 tassels as well. So I will show you that finally when I have the whole thing together. I have yet to sew in the hook and eyes to close. I lined it in this blue and white check that you saw me. I got that from the sales rack at Pings in Montego Bay. It's perfect for the inside. Lots of hand sewing. So I'm super glad that I tried all of this out. The fit is good. The sleeves are good. All right. And I love the way the arms curve under. I learned so much about making this. There's also a stand-up piece in the back to keep the back of this collar up. Okay, so I really, really love it. I have more fabric. Don't know exactly if I'm gonna make one of those long skirts or something with it, or if I'm just going with a jacket. We'll see, we'll see. So that's what I've been working on this week as far as my project. Now I'm going to, after I finish completing all the handwork on this, I'm going to take a minute. Sorry, I think we've gone out of, yeah. I'm gonna take a minute, and I have some other challenges this October, and I'm gonna have some fun with those. But as far as so far, I'm having a lot of fun with these costumes and these different stitching techniques and stuff. So even though I think it's a success, I've tried it on, it fits well, it needs a good pressing and some more tacking and stuff like that. I think it's a success. And even better, I figured out this sleeve head. All right, so I'm looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to my tassels coming in the mail. Oh, and another thing I learned, that the actual shoulder seams were not on the shoulders. They were in the back. I guess they helped support, ouch. I guess they helped support the back of this, which I thought that was really interesting. All right, so just something, just FYI. So, okay, friends, I have quite a bit of handwork to do on this jacket. I'm going to stitch the sleeve head in place, and then I just have to put it aside until the tassels come. So that should be quite interesting. And I don't really have a haul for you. All I got was the horsehair. I had my thread from when I went to Trelawney and Montego Bay. So other than that, that's all that's going on this week. I hope you're getting a chance to sew. I hope you're doing grandkids Halloween costumes or Halloween costumes for yourself. And we will check in with you on the weekend, because I have some works in progress, and I'm going to do a video on Saturday to show you one of the things that I am working on. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow.